How to go live on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can start a live session on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to the home base. Look for plus icon which is located below at the center. Click on it to enter the live space. Once you're in the live session, you can add your title, choose your audience and schedule your live session. Customize your live session by adding filters if you wish. After configuring the settings, click on Go Live button. It will take 3 seconds to load and you'll find yourself live on Instagram. During your live session, you will have option to mute or unmute your microphone by clicking on this microphone icon. Similarly, you can enable or disable your video by clicking on this video icon. If you want to make your live session more interactive, you can invite your friends by clicking on this arrow icon and send them a link. Additionally, you can request someone to co-host with you if they present. When you are ready to end your live session, click on the cross button at the top next to live. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. Click on end video to confirm. You will then prompt to choose whether to view the live in the archive for later or discard it. If you choose to view it in the archive, click on view in archive. If you want to discard it, click on discard media and confirm. Still, you will have to access it for 30 days. And that's how you can go live on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.